Don't forget that our GDP and reflation forecasts have put up, again, a higher level of GDP, currently on GDP, which has been partly why the S&P 500 had a great year. We're at 3.24%, Darius, is that right? Quarter over quarter?
Q-over-Q, sorry.
Okay, so that's versus Bloomberg
2.66.
At 2.66? Okay, so there's something that happened this year. We were always higher than Wall Street. Always higher than that is the consensus estimate. So not only were we higher than the forecast, but we had the accurate forecast. And moreover, we had a back-end loaded forecast. The amount of times that I told you was many, okay? I said by the end of the year, GDP is going to accelerate even faster. So again, if we're right on this number, that would be the third consecutive quarter, 3 times in a row, that GDP hit over 3%, okay, on a headline basis. That's why Trump's talking about it. That's why anybody who's trying to take a big backslap on the economy is talking about it. But again, this really didn't have to do with Trump. It had to do with comparing against an economic recession in profit terms at the end of Obama's reign, et cetera, et cetera. Presidents, if you didn't know, don't drive the economy, okay? So at the end of the day, the economy drives the economy. Hardworking people drive the economy. The cycle drives the economy. So when you have something to compare against that's easy, the probability goes up, all things equal, that you accelerate. And if you have data points that are accelerating, it's all but a certainty that you will accelerate against easing compares. So again, that's why we made that call this year. You can tell your friends and foes that if they didn't get that right, they should absolutely study it and have some humility in looking backwards and saying, what did I miss? Why didn't I get that right? Because this was one of the easiest calls to have ever been made in terms of growth accelerating. So again, that data crystal clear. Don't forget we had durable goods last week. CapEx up over 8%. On a year-over-year basis in both CapEx and headline durable goods. Just awesome numbers, okay? That's a lot higher than the 3, okay? Those are 8s on a year-over-year basis, and you know that that's a good thing.